Okay, the car is packed. We have everything for the best camping trip ever.
Everything? Atlas, honey, that's great, but... where is the tent?
The 10T! Oh no! It's still in the garage!
Are we there yet? Not yet, sweetie. About 1 more hour.
That's strange.
What's wrong? Is the GPS broken?
No signal. But don't worry, I know the way.
Are you sure, Dad? Uh-oh. Atlas, admit it. We are lost.
Maybe a little lost.
Okay, fine. We are very lost.
Mom, what is that giant paper?
This is a map, Arrow. It shows us the roads and mountains. It works even without a signal. See? We are right here.
Ah, a map. The old-fashioned way. Let me see.
Dad, I think the map is upside down.
Oh. Right. I knew that. Just testing you, Scout.
Good job, Scout.
Okay, Navigator, which way?
Turn around, Captain.
Look! The park entrance! We made it!
Thanks to the map and Scout.
I'll go check in. Be right back, explorers.
Listen to the forest. What do you hear? Welcome to Pine Tree Park. You are at Campsite 12. Here are the rules. Rule number 1, keep your food in the car. It is dangerous to leave food outside. Animals will come. We want everyone to be safe.
Dangerous? Like... big bears?
Yes, maybe bears. But if you follow the rules, it is very safe here.
Don't worry, Ranger. We are camping experts.
Wow! This is it! Campsite 12!
Fresh air. It is perfectly quiet. I love it.
All right, team. Time to unpack. Let's build our home for tonight.
I have my sleeping bag! Me too!
And here is the monster tent.
Do you want to read the instructions, Atlas?
Instructions? No way! I know how to do this. It's easy.
Set up means to build it. We need to set up the tent so we can sleep. But this tent is huge. Setting it up might be hard.
Whoa! Whoa! That is a lot of pieces.
He doesn't know what to do. Nope.
Wait, this goes here? No, maybe here. Ugh.
Need any help, Captain Expert?
I am perfectly fine. It's just a big puzzle. Whoa! Whoa! Hey, it's dark in here. Where is the door? I can't see.
Dad is a giant green monster.
Wow! What a great sleeping bag, Atlas!
Okay. Maybe I need the instructions.
Looks like you folks are having a party.
More like a puzzle, honestly.
Whew. Need a hand with that tent? Hi, I'm Atlas, and yes, we really need help.
I'm Mark. Let's get this done.
First, we put the poles together like this. Then we slide them in.
Wow. Mark is so fast.
See? It's easy to set up the tent when you know the trick. We just need teamwork. Everyone grabs a corner.
I've got this corner! Pull, Atlas!
Pull, Arrow. We are helping. I am pulling.
And done. That is strong.
Thank you so much, Mark.
No problem, neighbor. Have a great night.
It looks beautiful! Great job, team!
See? I told you setting it up was easy.
Oh, Dad.
Okay, let's go for a walk in the forest.
The trees are so tall. Are there monkeys?
No monkeys here, sweetie. But stay on the trail. This is a path. We must stay on the path. The ranger said it is safe here. If we leave the path, we might get lost in the forest.
Look at this red leaf. It's so pretty. Mom? Dad? Come look at this big bug. Oh.
Oh, that is a beetle. It is a type of insect.
Is the insect dangerous? Will it bite?
No, Arrow. It's just a little insect. It is safe.
Okay, let's find a river.
Arrow, are you okay?
I'm coming, buddy.
Let me see. Are you badly hurt?
It is just a little scratch. You need to be careful when walking in the forest.
Don't worry. Mom has the magic first aid kit. All done. You are so brave.
I am brave. Can we go back to the tent? I'm hungry.
Dinner time it is!
Mom, it's getting really cold and dark.
Don't worry, Arrow. I have wood. I will save us.
Look at this wood. We need it to build a fire. A fire will keep us warm when it is cold. It gives us light in the dark. Watch the expert. Perfect shape. Now, we just need to light it.
Wait. Let me check my pockets.
Atlas, Marcus Mabuena, did you forget the matches?
Maybe?
I packed the tent. I packed the sleeping bags. But no matches. Oh, man. No fire? I'm freezing.
Classic, Dad.
Scout and I will go to the camp store. We saw it near the office.
Take your time. I will do it the old-fashioned way. Friction!
Good evening.
Hello there. Getting cold outside, huh?
Yes, very cold. We need some matches, please. My husband forgot them.
What exactly are matches?
They help us start a fire.
Here you go. These are matches. We strike them to make a small flame. You use matches to light your big campfire. But remember, only adults can use them.
Look! Marshmallows. Can we get them?
Of course. Marshmallows for s'mores and hot dogs for dinner.
That will be $12. Enjoy your camping.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Wow! It is so dark out here.
It is very dark at night. This is a flashlight. It makes light. We use the flashlight to see the path clearly and stay safe.
I can see the path. The flashlight is cool.
Almost. Got it. Just a little more friction.
Dad, there is no smoke.
Give up, caveman! I brought the magic fire sticks.
Oh, thank goodness. Matches.
You are my hero, Journey. Now, let there be light.
Is it ready? I am so hungry.
Careful, sweetie. It is very hot. Blow on it first.
Wow. This tastes so good, Mom.
When food tastes very, very good, we say it is delicious. Cooking over a fire makes the hot dogs delicious.
Delicious. Best dinner ever.
Mine is a little dark, but still very delicious. Extra crunchy.
Oh, Atlas. You are a terrible cook. Who has room for dessert? It's time for s'mores.
The stars are sleepy. And I am tired.
Time to sleep, little explorers. Snuggle into your sleeping bags.
Good night, Mom. This was a great adventure.
Love you too, Captain. Best trip ever.
Did you enjoy our camping trip? What should we do next? Go to the beach? Or visit the museum?
Tell us in the comments below.
And don't forget to subscribe!